Blueberries are the second most consumed berry in North America. The native North American fruit belongs to the Ericaceae family. Some of the common related species are cranberry, huckleberry, and bilberry. The main focus of this video will be on high and low bush blueberries. They are easy to cultivate and make a healthy snack. The berries grow on a bush that can range from 1/10 of a meter tall to 4 meters tall. They grow from a main stem that has shoots. At the end of the shoots are clusters of bud that develop into white flowers and then into berries. The berries start small and green and become plump and blue as they mature. A mature berry ranges in size from 1/4 to 1/2 an inch wide. The berries grow best near marshes and lakes. They need a cold climate for chill time, which is a signal for the developmental stage of the berries. They also need acidic soil. The berries need cross-pollination to increase fruit size and ripening speed. Animals can help with seed dispersion because the seeds are indigestible. Bees are the main pollinator. They are very attracted to the nectar, and while drinking it, they become covered in pollen and spread it around from flower to flower. The two main pests of berries are a fungus that mummifies the berries by growing from the flesh inside and rotting and shriveling the berries till they turn white and small. The second is the cranberry fruitworm, which lays eggs inside the berries. As the larvae develop, they use the flesh of the berries as food. The berries need ample chill time and good weed control to be cultivated. To harvest the berries, you can either do it by hand or on large scale with machines that shake the berries from the trees. The blueberries are originally from North America but now have spread all over the world. In 1615, the first documentation of Native Americans harvesting the blueberries was made. In 1908, Frederick Coville, a USDA worker, domesticated the first blueberry. Now in Oregon, there's a living blueberry gene bank with over 30,000 seedlings. In the early 1900s, the berries moved to Europe. At first, they couldn't find ample chill time, but then in 1923, the first blueberry grew in the Netherlands. From there, it went to France, Germany, Spain, UK, Poland, and Italy. In the mid-1900s, berries moved to Asia, Japan in the 50s, China in the 80s. In the late 1900s, the berries then moved to South Africa, New Zealand, and Australia. The Native Americans originally used the berries to make pemmican, a cake made from meat powder, dried berries, stirred with liquefied animal fats. They dried the berries with either sunlight or fire. They also used the berries for blue and violet dyes for paper and clothing. The American colonists then started steeping the berries into teas to help with diarrhea and female sickness. They also used the berries in jams and jellies to rid the body of cough and cold symptoms. The Swedes also used these jams and jellies to help with cough symptoms. They also made blueberry purees for baby food. Today, the berries are used in pies, turnovers, scones, muffins, and other baked goods, as well as for flavoring in candies and alcohol. 2/3 of the world's blueberries are canned or frozen. Farmers are looking for maximum nutrition value now to keep up with the superfood trends. Blueberries have lots of antioxidant properties. These come from the flavonoids, which also give the berries their dark colors. The main flavonoid is anthocyanins. Different strands of berries have different concentrations and different types of anthocyanins. One berry was found to have over 14 types. These antioxidants help rid the body of oxidative stress by capturing free radicals, inhibiting enzymes, and breaking down peroxides. They help strengthen the collagen matrix by inhibiting the enzyme that usually deteriorates it. They inhibit alpha-glucosides, which increase the sugar intake in the small intestine. This helps prevent type 2 diabetes. They also help prevent urinary tract infections. They bind to the bacteria so it's unable to stick to the bladder walls. They help with blood clotting by reducing the amount of adhesions between the blood platelets. And they can even help with night blindness. Berries have been recommended to truck drivers and pilots to help with vision. Today, an acre of blueberries is worth about $2,000. North America grows almost 50,000 hectares of blueberries. The rest of the world is growing around 30,000. The world is exporting a little over $370 million in blueberries. Today, blueberries are grown all over the globe and are now available every month of the year. 48 out of the 50 American states grow blueberries. This unassuming bush grows a very powerful blueberry. They have been proven to help prevent overall stress in the body. Their chemical makeup can even help prevent cancer. With so many antioxidants packed into one berry, continued research is revealing even more health benefits.